on the speech made by Sri Aden M. Labas member from Nongkrems on the short duration discussion relating to the report on the reservation policy. On the 25th February, while participating in the discussion, the Honourable Member Sri Aden Labas has referred on the term khasi are not inclusive of jaintia. So as we all know, as per reservation policy, it is specifically reserved for khasi and jaintia. So therefore, it should always be referred as khasi and jaintia whenever we discuss the reservation policy. So I therefore request your Honourable Speaker to put on the record on the proceedings of the House that it should always be referred as khasi and jaintia whenever we refer to the reservation policy. This is my submission.
Sir, I think I would expect the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to be measured enough. He should understand the minds of the mover. When I say the khasis, I know who are the khasis. You know, I had already mentioned in this August House, there's nothing to deprive or nothing, no ill intention against any community. But I always use khasis because I want to unify the sub-tribes of the khasis so that no one will misunderstand. So I think that is not a major issue, sir, to be expected for a minister in his status to raise in this August House. Sir, nothing as such as I've said, but I will continue to go to the people and tell that we are one. As the community, we are one as a tribe, and the attempt to mention to the outside world that there are 3 tribes in Meghalaya is completely wrong. We belong to the same tribe, the Panar, the Kinriam, the War, so on and so forth. So I don't think, sir, that is too serious a matter for you to discuss.
Speaker, sir, I just want to add on that, sir. We're not here, sir, to point anything about anyone, but we do realize, sir, whatever discussed in the House will stay on the record. Yes. And, sir, if you see on the notification on the reservation of 1972, it's clearly mentioned, sir, khasi and jaintia. So, sir, there is nothing, sir, we are saying. Just, sir, we don't want, sir, like in the future, if we look back at the debate, sir, we want that this, and it has been used as administrative, sir, words, sir, khasi and jaintia. So that is the only request. There is nothing, sir, we want to divide or anything. But just, sir, we don't just want to be placed on record, sir. That's all, sir. Thank you.
I tend to agree with the Honorable. If we are using this khasi jaintia, I use, it doesn't mean that I never use. But deliberately, I would love to use khasis so that we will, be able to prevent from any outside force to divide us.